Customer is very important in today's business world. Whether you are an entrepreneur or a salesman or doing service in any organization, if you are able to satisfy your customer, then definitely you will grow. But satisfying customer is not as easy as it appears. So what to do to satisfy your customer? So let's talk about. I'm just going to tell you something tips about the customer satisfaction. Why customer is important, how to meet the customer's expectation, and how to surpass the customer expectation. Friends, whenever a customer comes to you, so how you are treating him or her, the way you treat him or her, that is very important. Whether you are able to satisfy the need of your customer. You must have the customer feedback form. In the scale of 10, just get his ratings, whether he is satisfied with your product or your service or not. So periodical customer satisfaction survey is very important. You should not make empty promises to your customers, because if you do that, then customer will go away. So try to be a genuine and try to listen them carefully and note down what they are expecting, what are their complaints. You must try to empathize with your customer, because if you do whatever you want, then it's not going to serve the purpose. You must try to know what customer wants, what they are expecting. So try to think from their point of view. You must acknowledge the customer's views, because they want respect from you. And if you are not able to meet their expectation, or if you are doing something you have done wrong, then you should not hesitate to apologize. You must also always strive for the continuous improvement and try to innovate with your product or your service. Try to find the new ways of doing that, so that you can always improve your product and you can in that way serve better. Don't indulge in problems much, because if you do that, then it's only going to waste your time. So try to find the solution, build the trust among your customers, because then only they will come again. So try to be genuine and try to fulfill their expectation, what they want, and you must have good communication skills, so that you can convey your service or product in a better way. You must be accountable for whatever you are doing, because accountability is very important to record your things and to improve your doings. You can offer a surprise gift for your customers on their special day, on their birthday or anniversary, so that your customer will be delighted. Just have some offer for your customers. In nowadays so many things are happening, so you have to be your approach to be very lucrative while you are selling your product, your packaging. While gathering feedbacks, you must record or maintain the data in your computer, because your data bank is very important. If you analyze the data of your customers, then you will get to know what are the mistakes you have done wrong and what are the scope for improvement. You can offer also a discount for the customers, so that they will attract more. You have seen that so many shops or businessmen, they offer discount. So providing or discount attracts the customer, and in that way you can retain your customer also, and your customer will be ultimately feel happy. That is very important in business, so that you can maintain your loyalty. You must do the periodical customer survey so that you can capture the feedback of your customer, how satisfied they are, and in the survey you can study the ups and downs of your business, the where you are doing wrong and what are the scope for improvement. So in that way you can improve your product and services. Sometimes a very difficult customer comes to you. It's very difficult to satisfy them, but you have to be very good listener. So listen carefully what their grievances are, what they are saying. So don't react too early. First listen, then think whether they are saying is correct or not. Then you explain the things in a very polite way. That is the way to build your loyal customer. Always thank them whenever they come to you, because that little things count much, and it will build trust and respect for your customers. You must always follow up with your customers so that you will get to know, and you will also let them know what are the new products or services you are offering. So periodical follow-up is very important. On the special occasions or festivals, you can offer some discount or a special offer for your customers. Whatever product you are selling or service you are rendering, you must offer periodically some surprise package from you. That will definitely delight your customer, and in that way you can satisfy and retain your customer. You must maintain the transparency whatever you are doing, because if you maintain the transparency, if you are clear and clarify the things with your customers, then they will believe you 100%, because trust is very important with the customer, and it can only be developed when you maintain the transparency. Be attentive to your customers, because if some customers comes to you and if you are doing some work and if you are not answering them, not paying attention, then he will get disturbed that you are not paying so attention for which he has come. So you must be attentive and flexibility in your approach. That will definitely lead to your customer delight. You must also build a website for your company or your product, your services, and your website should reflect the total idea about your services or products, what you are doing. You must also study the customer buying behavior. So what are the pattern of behavior? If customer is coming to you, what kind of behavior he is showing, and what are the suggestions he is giving. Just note down whether he is happy. Try to understand the emotions and feelings of your customers, and in that way you can study their behavior, customer behavior. That is very much important to success in the business. So ultimately, friends, the idea is to satisfy your customer, to retain your customer, so that they will come again and again, and you can serve them better. You can give them a good product, an excellent world-class product, so that they will come you again. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.